Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will be learning about the mechanism of photosynthesis, which is consisting of light reaction and dark reactions. First, we will discuss the phases which are present in the mechanism of photosynthesis. There are two phases of photosynthesis. During the first phase, light energy is captured and is used to make high energy molecules like ATP and NADPH. ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate and NADPH stands for nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate hydrogen. And light reaction takes place in the thylakoid membranes of chloroplasts. While the second phase, which is known as dark reaction, here carbon dioxide reduced to make glucose. Here high energy molecules like ATP and NADPH are being utilized for the formation of glucose molecule, and dark reaction takes place in the stroma of chloroplasts. The name dark reaction is given because they do not use light directly. So that's why they are known as dark reactions. Now we'll discuss about light reaction, that how light reaction in detail takes place. Here is a summary of light reaction. Number 1, chlorophyll molecules absorb light and electrons are emitted. These electrons pass through the electron transport chain to produce ATPs. Here photolysis, which means breakdown of water molecules, takes place, due to which oxygen is released. Hydrogen atoms of water give electrons to chlorophyll and becomes ions. Hydrogen ions of water are used for reduction of NADP into NADPH. You can see the diagram of light reaction. The light reaction is also known as Z scheme because of its Z-shaped flow chart. Now coming to the dark reaction. Dark reaction is also known as Calvin cycle because the name is given because of the person who discovered it, Malvern Calvin. Here are the summary of dark reactions. The carbon dioxide combines with the 5 carbon compounds to form 6 carbon compounds, which splits into 3 carbon compounds. One of the 3 carbon compounds reduced to 3 carbon carbohydrates by using ATP and hydrogen from NADPH to make glucose. The other 3 carbon carbohydrates used to regenerate original 5 carbon compounds and uses ATP. You can see the diagram of Calvin cycle, which is also given in your book. This is a little bit different from your books. Now coming to the assignment question answers. Explain the mechanism of photosynthesis. Summarize the events of Z scheme. Summarize the events of Calvin cycle.